Okay guys, so Clifton and I are huge foodies who have a deep appreciation for creative food combinations, like salty and sweet.
Hard cheeses and honey, salty cheeses and honey.
Yeah, like pineapple on pizza. Do you like that?
Everyone has their limits.
Yeah, everyone has their limits, but we're gonna test those limits today because we are gonna try the weirdest food combinations I found on the internet. So to keep this exciting, Clifton has no idea what these food combinations are. I'm gonna surprise his palate, but we get to vote.
Okay.
Yeah, yas for yas and WTF for me.
Yeah, I won't need that.
First up, flaming hot Cheetos pizza. This one has been a super popular trend for the past couple months. Hot Cheetos on everything.
Honestly, it looks like a flaming hot mess.
I need a second bite. 3, 2, 1.
Really?
I didn't think you'd like it.
No, it's actually pretty good. The spice from the Cheetos kind of works. Mm-hmm. I like it.
And I'm surprised you liked it because we're sober.
Well, speak for yourself.
Next up, milk and Cheetos as a cereal. Yeah, I don't feel so good about this one.
You don't feel so good about this one.
All right, the milk has turned a beautiful pink. Don't smell it first, hold on.
Oh. That's some disgusting ass.
Right, you're about to say This is another cereal. Just close your eyes for a minute. And open. We are having Frosted Flakes cereal and American Singles. Roll for you.
Perfect, we can stop there. I don't need the cheese.
Oh, no, that's, you know.
That's really not
necessary. Oh, should we do it after the milk or before the milk?
Oh,
Let's do it after the milk so it could like float.
Okay.
Like little cheese islands. So I'm really confused about this. I don't know who came up with it.
Doesn't make any sense. Anybody out there who does this should have the internet revoked. How do you even open this? I don't even know how to open it because I don't even eat this.
Don't pretend.
I don't. You putting the whole thing in there?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay.
No.
Get a little of everything. There you go.
How's that? Back into the bowl, back into the bowl. WTF.
Now this next one I've had before as a child. This is something that Mr. Rogers from Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood said is a good snack. He highly recommended this, so I tried it. I loved it. Haven't had it as an adult, but I wonder if we'll like it together. Are you ready? Open your eyes.
Oh, okay, I can eat that. Yeah, great.
With American cheese. I don't even want to know your thoughts. I'm just going to teach you how to do it. You're going to do it.
So I'm just going to peel this back?
Yeah, peel it back. Cheese.
Okay.
And you just wrap it around all the way to the tip. Okay.
Oh, this looks awful and it smells awful.
I don't know how I ate this as a kid.
I can't believe you did that.
I don't know. All right, you ready? Let's vote.
1 second. Digestion in process. Okay. Both?
Yeah. It was nostalgic, so I was like, yes! But then I was like, nah, but then kind of like, nah.
I'm still swallowing it.
I've said that plenty of times. Okie dokie. Open your eyes. Bacon apple pie.
Bacon apple pie?
Yeah, there's no bacon in the actual pie, but I've made a bacon weave lattice. Do you think you'll like it?
I mean, kind of like bacon and like, what is it, like candied bacon?
Yeah, candied bacon.
It kind of looks normal.
It looks like it was always meant to be there,
Yeah, it doesn't look like it doesn't look odd. You just like crack it.
Crack that bacon crust.
Right.
Ooh.
Did you make this pie?
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like a food pairing to me. Vanilla ice cream and
bacon.
Bacon. I could go for that. Vanilla ice cream and bacon. That's gonna be good because those two flavors will come together.
And this doesn't go together?
No, not really.
People have apples and applesauce and pork chops.
Applesauce and pork chops make sense.
All right, we're done here.
The applesauce gets into the pork chop. It kind of seeps to the pores of the meats. They get, you know, that's a pairing. It's not a pairing to put apples on beneath some bacon.
Okay, we'll see you guys next time. He doesn't know what he's talking about.